Good day to everyone, special to my listeners and viewers. So welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach to you on how to solve the related rates problem, or how we are doing or take the related rates problem. So I have here the 5 steps in order to solve the related rates problem. So first, we have to decide what the two variables are. So it should be the x and y. Then second one, we find an equation relating to them. So what equation? So for example, we need to use the Pythagorean theorem, which is the x squared plus y squared is equal to z squared. Then, the third one is to take the d over dt of both sides. So, we must take the d over dt by both sides of the given. Then, or the given problem. Then, the fourth one is to plug in all known values at the instant in equation. So, for example, by using the DE formula, which is the x, dx over dt plus y, dy over dt is equal to z, dz over dt. So, we need to plug in all known values. For example, the value of x, the value of d over dx, or dx over dt, the y, the dy over dt, and etc. Then last one is to solve for the unknown rate, which is we need to use the differential equation as what I've said. So the differential equation is the x dx over dt plus the y dy over dt and is equal to z dz over dt. I have here example, or I prepare one example. First, we need to draw a sphere of a radius, which is the r. And we assume that the r is a function of a time. It seems like a perfect circle. The surface area of a sphere of a radius is r, or the radius r is, always remember, s is equal to 4 pi r squared. By the given dr over dt is equal to 3 feet per hour. Now, we need to find the ds over dt when the r is 10 feet. Now, differentiate the surface area equation with respect to time. So, by getting the derivative of s is equal to the derivative of 4 pi r squared. So, the ds over dt is equal to 4 pi times 2r dr dt. So the ds over dt is equal to 4 times 2 is equal to 8 pi r dr dt. Now let the dr dt is equal to 3 and r is equal to 10. ds over dt is equal to 8 pi times 10 times 3. So the ds over dt is equal to 8 times 10 is 80 times 3. That's why it become 240 pi feet squared per hour, or 753.98 feet squared per hour. Now, the volume of a sphere of radius r is V is equal to 4 over 3 pi r cubed. So by the given dr over dt is equal to 3 feet per hour. Now, find the dv over dt when our r is 10 feet. So we need to find the volume of a sphere by the radius r is 4 over 3 pi r the cube. Now differentiate the volume of equation with respect to time. So the derivative of v, which is the volume, is equal to the derivative of 4/3 or 4 over 3 pi r cubed. So the dv over dt is equal to 4/3 pi times the 3 r squared dr over dt. Now, the dv over dt is equal to 4 times 3 is equal to 12. Divide 3. That's why it become 4 pi r squared dr dt. So let the dr over dt is equal to 3 and r is equal to 10. The dv over dt is equal to 4/3 pi 3 times 10 squared times 3. So our dv over dt is equal to 4 times 3 is equal to 12. 10 times 10 or 10 times itself equals 100 times 3. So it become 3,600. Divide the 3 here. 3. So it become 1,200 feet cube per hour, or it seems like 3,769.91 feet cube per hour. So that's it for today's video, and I hope you understand and get it. Yun lamang po at maraming salamat. God bless to everyone.